Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share the experience that I faced in one of the loan app called my Money Pro Max. This is the Money Pro Max that I ever installed on my phone, and today itself I have installed based on one of the advertisement that I seen in YouTube, and I have entered my phone. Uh, Shockingly, what I received. See there. After sending OTP, I will show. Yes, they have sent OTP here, and 1372 is the OTP. 1372 is the OTP, and click on continue. And see here, loan amount and period they are showing like 60,000, and if you click on apply now, mm, they are showing nothing. Okay, then I go back and click on loan records, but here I am shockingly seeing this cash pocket and cash pro loan amount that I have received 3,000 like this, and apply time. See here, I today itself I have opened this app, but they are showing that apply time 15/5/2024, and also in cash pro also they are showing like this. Okay, so they have made themselves like this, and they have put like overdue, and click on repay now. Okay, also they have shown that beware of scams. We only accept app repayment, and all non-app repayments are fraudulent. They are also warning like this. This is also one of the scam. Okay, but I haven't received any amount from this new app. I today itself installed, but after installing, just they are showing like this. Okay, this is surely scam app. Okay, this is fraud and fake app. Don't install it. Okay, suppose if you supposed to registered, and if they are showing like this, just leave it. No problem. Okay, check your bank statement. If there is any amount, then you can repay, but surely this app is fake. They will not send you any money. Just uh, they have themselves creating like this. Okay, so don't do it, or don't install. Okay, that's all friends. This is finally I can say that this is completely fake. That's all.